In this video I'm going to show you how to create a checklist in Google Sheets. It is very easy to do. What I have done is created a preview checklist. As you can see, I have created a checklist to create my YouTube videos. So what we will do now is recreate this checklist. What we will do, let's say we will call it morning routine. Now we will make it a little bit bigger so it will fit into the cell. And after that we will do our tasks. So we will categorize them, brushing teeth, shower, do my hair and make breakfast. The next step is of course to add the checkboxes. So we will create a title checkbox. We also create a title status. And now we will create the checkboxes. So what I will do here is just go to insert, then we will add a checkbox. Now if you put your mouse on this corner and click it, then drag it all the way down with your left mouse button, it will recreate the checkbox. So the next step is of course to create some border lines around this checklist. And we will use this one. You can change the thickness of the borders, the colors. For now I will leave it on 10. And then we will select all. So now you have created some lines around it, but we would like to automatically change the status once we have checked the box. As you can see, if I check the box, the status will change into done. So for this we can go into this cell. This is very easy to do. So what we will do, we will type in the formula and you can just copy it out of my sheet. Now as you can see, if I open the formula, this will be the formula. Here we will select the checkbox in this cell. And now what you have done is basically change the formula. So once we have checked this box, it will be set on done. Now we can simply drag this cell all the way down till all the tasks are marked pending. And now basically you have copied the formula into these cells. So if we will check the boxes, then they automatically change to done. And that is what we want to do. So the next step is of course to give it a little bit of layout. Now what you can do is basically select this cell and make it a little bit thicker than the rest. So if you click on this, then go to border, then make it thicker and then select the first one. Once you have done this, you will see this cell is more visible. Now you can also give it some color. So let's say you would like to make it green or blue and make the text bold, then select bold and you have created a bold text. Now you can do this for the other titles also. You can make them bold. You can also add some colors into it to make it more visible for yourself. And that is basically how you easily create a checklist in Google Sheets. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!